In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to do a calypso rolling to the ground. Here's that motion in full speed. Now let's break that movement down. You'll start with the plie chaîné turn, then opening your leading leg out into a fan motion. You'll leap off the ground and the back leg will follow, hitting an attitude position behind you. From there, you'll tuck your back leg and roll to the ground to stand up again. Here's that in slow motion. And here's a close-up of what your body should look like as you do it.